Hi, I'm Emily, and I run a plant design studio in New Orleans with my mom and sister. We specialize in workshops, so I'm here today to teach you how to make a flower headpiece like Beyonce's and get the look from the cover of Vogue, September issue of this year. Now, bringing together floral design and iconic fashion has long been a way to create a statement look. We see this with Frida Kahlo, who's famous for taking beautiful big red flowers and tucking them into her updo. When other women were wearing muted colors and really conservative clothing, she was out there making a statement and being uniquely Mexican. Then we have women like Bjork, who's currently on a biophilia tour. Bjork has always brought together elaborate costuming, but now she's doing this amazing orchid design. She's wearing a mask with these bead eyes, and she's transforming herself into this beautiful feminine flower. And now it's September, and who do we see on the cover of Vogue but the queen bee herself, wearing a gorgeous flower headpiece with cascades of color, gorgeous design, and it's really truly wearable art. She also has another piece, a more muted emerald piece, that allows you to see the versatility. When you're working with plants, you can really do anything. You can use your own creativity to come to the table and come up with something unique. So I'm gonna be joined by my mom, who's a 30-year floral design veteran. She's gonna come in and she's gonna help us work through the different things that we need to know to get the look. So we're gonna start with the supplies. What supplies do we need? Then we'll move into choosing your flowers. We'll tackle things like fragrance and durability, as well as color and price. Then we move into choosing your headband, aligning the style of headband with the size of the piece, and talk you through some of the trade-offs you need to consider for wearability, for durability, and for weight. Then we'll get into composition. We'll outline how to put these floral compositions together, then we'll wire it, and then we'll attach it to the headpiece. So at the end of the course, you're gonna walk away with a gorgeous piece that you can wear to a concert, to a festival, to a party, and have a standout, customized, iconic look of your very own. And I think what's really exciting about this is we have a lot of versatility built into the course. So you can watch it 1 time, 3 times, and take from it what you want to apply small basics and then get more advanced as you progress. So we really hope that you'll join us. We have more information and the details below. Looking forward, bye.